I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is updated and signed into iCloud. This authorizes Homekit and Siri. Have the accessory powered and the Homekit code or QR visible so you can add it immediately. Start the Home app and tap Add Accessory, scan the code, or follow the on-screen pairing. If Bluetooth prompts appear, accept. Once done, assign the accessory to a logical room so Siri can find it using natural voice commands. After pairing, install any firmware updates the accessory suggests. Updates often fix Siri responsiveness. Name devices using simple, spoken words like kitchen light so Siri recognizes them. Avoid punctuation that confuses speech. Place each device into a room and group rooms into zones for phrases like, "Hey Siri, turn off upstairs." Create scenes to control multiple devices at once and add automations if you want actions at sunrise, on arrival, or when someone leaves. Finish by confirming your chosen Home Hub is online and set as the Home Hub in the Home app. This gives you remote Siri access and automations. Test several Siri commands aloud, then refine names or scene triggers if Siri picks the wrong device. If something fails, restart the hub and accessory, verify both use the same Apple ID, and ensure two-factor authentication is active. If problems persist, remove and re-add the accessory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.